Okay. So we'll start the class. We were discussing about the type of cell division that is called as meiosis, right? And what we meiosis is divided into meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, we have karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis, and similarly in meiosis 2 also we'll have karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis. Talking about karyokinesis, especially in case of meiosis 1, that key stage oscillate, we have to discuss about prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, or telophase 1. Again, prophase 1 was divided into 5 stages. I think we have started with leptotene and zygotine, right? So, আমি leptotene complete করেছো আর zygotine almost at the end. I think we have already completed zygotine. So, what we remember from that first stage, no? Meiosis 1 or prophase 1 or first stage কি হয়? It is leptotene. What is the basic thing that you need to remember? The one-liner that we always remember is, in this case, the chromosomes or the genetic material, they appear in the form of thin threads. I think that's the line that you should always remember. Third, Ako, we have used certain words called as bouquet stage. Do you remember? Bouquet stage koriছিলো. Which stage is called as the bouquet stage? Leptotene 1 is leptotene is called as the bouquet stage. And why is it called as the bouquet stage? Because genetic materials বিলাক nuclear membrane or কি হয়? They will remain attached by their
chromatin fibers remain attached to the nuclear membrane.
In the form
chromatin
of
fibers remain attached to the nuclear membrane.
Yeah, chromatin fibers remain attached to the nuclear membrane, and condensation হয়েছিল, right? Condensation কিন্তু intervals of হয়েছিল, so they would look like beads or beaded in appearance, and that structure was called as a bouquet stage. সেইখিনি আসলে information about leptotene. What we remember, nuclear membrane, nucleolus, centriole, everything was as it is. একোৱে হোৱা নাই তেতিয়ালৈকে. After leptotene, we have proceeded to zygotine, and the important line about zygotine, যদি পটককে question সুধে যে zygotine কি হয়, the only answer or the instant answer that he'll give is, in zygotine, pairing takes place, right? Pairing বুলি ক'লে, we have talked about what? We have talked about a process called as synapsis. In synapsis কি হয়? Homologous chromosome makes a pair, and this pair is called as a bivalent. Right? Last class আমি কৈছিলো যে bivalent formation ক'ত হয়? Bivalent formation zygotine হয়, and the process is called as synapsis. In case of a bivalent, what we have discussed is, bivalent কি হয়? Adult maternal, they will form a pair, right? That pair is called as a bivalent. And we have also discussed about something called as the formation of the synaptonymal complex. Synaptonymal complex কি আছিলে? Remember the word
protein structure.
Yeah, the protein structure. Yes, the protein structure that was found in between the two chromosomes of a bivalent, right? Help কি করে synaptonymal complex? They most probably help in the process of synapsis, or they help the chromosomes to remain attached in a pair. Another thing that we have discussed was bivalent as far as the number of bivalent is concerned, or as far as the number of pairs of chromosomes that we'll see in a cell, depends on what? Depends on the ploidy number, or it depends on the number of chromosomes. For example, if a cell has 46 chromosomes, তাহলে bivalent কেটা form করব?
23.
Pair করে পেলে
23, ma'am.
Right, they will form 23. So what we have discussed is, the number of bivalent actually depends on what? The number of bivalent depends on the haploid number of the cell. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
The number of bivalent depends on the haploid number of a cell. So haploid number to যিমানে হয়, তারপর bivalent depend করব. So points about zygotine we have already completed. So what we will write today is steps about zygotine, synapsis, bivalent, synaptonymal complex, এগুলা সব লিখা আছে। খালি zygotine এর তলত একটা point লিখি লোৱা, and then we'll go to the next stage, right? So what you do, continue that zygotine stage only, right? Point গুলি লিখি পেলাই লিখা, the number of bivalent in a cell is equal to the number of haploid chromosomes, right? So কি হয়, equal to what? To the number of haploid chromosome. This is a point that you have to remember. And it is statement related to the question I say. Question to me file. Question to us is the N of a cell is 16 or in a plant cell, then how many possible bivalents in metaphase 1 of meiosis? So bivalents are here. We have already talked about the slide, no? The number of bivalents in a cell is equal to the haploid number. So, at a question in a question to the haploid number is given, right? We have a cell where N is equal to 15. And now, what is the question? You are asked to find the number of bivalents in the cell. We know bivalence is equal to the haploid number. So, here the bivalence is 1.
16.
15.
Bivalent would be 16, right? So, baki rest of the portion, if you don't read also, this point gives you the answer. So, bivalent related aru kisman questions ami korim, but after completion of meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, right? Tarpisat ami bivalent related kisman problems or questions we'll discuss. So, up till here we have completed zygote. Any doubt up till this portion? Are it only fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, any doubt? Leptotin or zygotin or doubts are Niki? Very nice. We'll move to the next step, that is pectidin.
Ma'am. Ma'am, bivalent he pair took koisil, no?
Huh.
Pair of homologous chromosome he took koisil, no? Bivalent.
Yeah. A2 paternal, A2 maternal. A2 kami ki boli kom? Bivalent. A2 ki hoy? Homologous chromosome, right? Okay. So zygote stage of ki hobo jiman bilak chromosomes ache gutei chromosomes bilak paternal chromosome, maternal chromosome of each character, no, they will form a pair, and that pair is called as the bivalent. Clear? Ma'am,
aru itu je point ot likhisil apuni the number of bivalent equal to number of haploid chromosome. Haploid chromosome ki hor, ma'am? Parents or
cell, obviously that cell concerned. Tomar question to kudiba eta cell ase, hey cell to tomar bivalent keta form koribo. To know the answer, you have to know the ploidy of the cell. Twice n janileo hobo, n janileo hobo.
Ma'am, but eta bivalent to no duta chromosome thake no, pair of thake.
Oh, bivalent duta chromosome mane ki hobo? Duta chromosome tomar twice n aru n. Haploid number of chromosomes, diploid number of chromosomes. Twice n or diploid number of chromosomes thake aru n or haploid numbers of chromosomes thake. So bivalence is kihor upor depend kore? Haploid number to upor depend kore. For example, ako jodi ami last class ot bolchilo no, cell to jodi 46 chromosomes ase, there twice n is equal to 46, n is equal to kiman 23. So bivalent 46 ta chromosome keta pair koribo, 23 ta pair koribo.
Yes, ma'am. Bujisu.
And each pair will have one parental and one paternal and one maternal. Right. Okay. Next, we'll be discussing about the third stage, that is pectidin. That's Nikha. Most it is considered as the most happening phase of prophase 1. So what happens here is, okay, can anyone tell me why is it considered as the most happening phase of prophase 1?
Exchange of genetic material takes place.
Very good. Because of that thing called as crossing over, no? Crossing over yate hobo, a recombinance yat form korbo, and so this phase is considered as the most happening phase of prophase 1. Next, the bivalent chromosome become more condensed comma thicken and shorten next each chromosome of a bivalent consists of two chromatids attached to the centromere which is called নতুন term এটা পাম dyad DYAD. So we have seen the formation of bivalent in zygote. What will happen to that bivalent in pectide? Pectide, at the first stage, bivalent will become more condensed. If the chromosome becomes more condensed, it will become what? It will become more distinct. Agote ami ki porithilo thread-like structures also. This thread-like structures undergoes condensation, and so we can see that thickened chromosome. As condensation proceeds or as thickening proceeds, the chromosome will become more clear. You can see the path also. Right. So what happens is the bivalent gets condensed, thickened, and shortened, and now we can see the bivalent more clearly. What we see is a structure called as dyad. Each chromosome of a bivalent consists of two chromatids attached to a centromere. Okay. Bivalent to ami diagram kemi kya kisilo? The diagram that we have drawn.
Pair of chromosomes.
Yeah, like this. This one. I think this is clear. This was bivalent. Now we will see a structure like this. Inside the cell. এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ bivalent ফৰ্ম কৰিছিলে জাইগোটিনত প্যাকেটিনত আমি এই bivalent chromosomes বিলাক clearly দেখা পালো what we have seen each chromosome contains two chromatids they are attached to this point this is called as the centromere so এই দুডাল এতিয়া আমি এনেকে দেখা পাম and each one is called as a dyad
ma'am বহুত রিফ্লেকশন হৈছে ma'am
কোনখিনি রিফ্লেক্ট কৰিছে
মাঝে মাঝে হৈ যায় মানে
মাঝে মাঝে রিফ্লেক্ট হৈ যায়
ম্যাম আপুনি এইটো সাইডে আহিলে রিফ্লেক্ট
এতিয়া দেখিছা নেকি ইজ ইট ক্লিয়াৰ
মেম নালাগে অন কৰি দিয়ক মেম আন্ধাৰ হৈ গল
ফুল আন্ধাৰ হৈ গৈছে তাৰমানে মই লৰাচৰ কৰিলে কি
না আপনি এইটো সাইড
ক'ত থাকিম মই এইটো সাইডে নে সেইটো সাইডে this way
no ma'am that way
that side
फिर मैम लिखेंगे कैसे
अभी दिख रहा है कि नहीं you can see or you cannot
हमें वो दिख रहा है मैम बीच में मतलब ऐसा लगता है कैमरा हिल रहा है मैम और लाइट ज्यादा पड़ रहा है लेकिन ठीक है मैम
हम कैमरा फोकस হৈ গলে হয় কি
हां मैम
कैमरा কি হচ্ছে
हम कैमरा টু ফোকাস হলে হয়
ও ক্যামেরাটো ফোকাস হলে অকমান লাইটটো ব্রাইট হৈ যায় ন
ও ম্যাম
একো হয় that doesn't matter if you can't see then you please tell me ঠিক আছে some of the words I can always dictate okay now we are writing about the point pectide this was the first point
ma'am nucleus size to increase hoy ne nohoy
কি হয়
nucleus size to increase hoy neki
কি হয় size to
nucleus
I don't get it
nucleus
size to already our interphase increase hoye ahile
okay ma'am
already DNA content বাড়িয়ে গৈছিল এতিয়া তো আমি মানে comparatively more clearer হে আমি দেখি আহিছো, right? Okay, so
Okay.
the third point tells us that in packages কি ফর্ম কৰিছে, ডায়াড ফর্ম কৰিছে, সেলটোৰ ভিতৰত ডায়াড ফর্ম কৰিছে, কেইটা ডায়াড ফর্ম কৰিছে, 2 ডায়াড. Next you write point number 4, তাত লিখা 2 dyads form another new word, tetrad. So দুটা word পালো. Now this one will be called as tetrad. So question ahe, tetrad formation ami kod dekha pao, tetrad formation ami chitin dekha pao. What is the tetrad? 2 dyads in a cell ultimately form 1 tetrad. See whether you have understood or not. Bivalent forms in zygote, in pectin ki hoise je ami bivalent kita basic clear but prominently dekha paiso. So we can see the chromatids of the chromosomes also, right? We know our chromosome has chromatids. So chromatids will have clear ke ami dekha paiso. So this forms 1 dyad, this one will form 1 dyad, both the dyad together will form a tetrad.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, sister chromatids bilak dyad hoy niki?
Ha.
Ma'am, sister chromatids bilak dyad hoy niki?
Sister chromatids bilak, yate we are not using that word, but we can use it now, right? Sister chromatids, non-sister chromatids teneke nohoy. This chromosome and this chromosome as a whole will form a dyad. Chromatid or kotha ami koa nai. Sister non-sister hole to belek ho jabo na, eta part hoi jabo, right? So sister non-sister olop pisot ami pohi aso. As of now what you understand is duta chromosomes asile, bivalent ki asil, duta chromosome eta pair asile, right? Ei chromosomes bilak jetia ami etu formot dekha pam, right? That would be called as a dyad. So in a cell at this moment eta pair or kotha koi aso, so we have 1 pair of tetrad. দুটা ডায়াডে কি ফর্ম করে, একটা টেট্রাড ফর্ম করে. It is about the chromosome and not about the chromatid.
Ma'am.
Ha.
Ma'am, আগত যে আপনি কোৱেশ্চনটো দিছিল তাতে কৈছিল মেটাফেজ 1ত বাইভেলেন্টৰ হেৰি কৰিছিল, বাট একচুয়ালি ডায়াড হ'ব লাগে.
ডায়াড হ'ব লাগে, কিন্তু অপচনত আমি বাইভেলেন্টৰ কথাই সুধিছে. কেনেকে অপচন থাকিব তেনেকে আমি কোৱেশ্চনটো দিম আনসাৰটো.
ম্যাম বুজিছো, বাট মানে মেটাফেজত তো ডায়াড মানে বাইভেলেন্স নাথাকে ন মেটাফেজ 1ত.
Metaphase 1ত bivalent নাথাকে, but this would be called as bivalent itself. Origin to কি? Origin to bivalent হয়.
Yes ma'am.
Pair to, এটো এটা pair নহয় জানো? So pair would be called as a bivalent, right? So এটো pair ইয়াত এনেকুৱা যিমানে pair form কৰক, pair word to use নকৰি পেলাই আমি bivalent word to use কৰিছো. So this is a pair, so this is a bivalent.
Okay.
Okay. Now, is the concept of dyad and tetrad clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. তেতিয়াহলে এটা question আছে relating tetrad. We'll write that question. Just try to answer. Diagram আঁকিছা ন?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Question এটা লিখা. A tetrad is made of first option is 4 non-homologous chromosomes. Second option would be 4 homologous chromosomes. One second. It's a chromatic just huh? Next option is 4 homologous chromosomes, and the fourth is 2 homologous chromosomes each with two chromatids.
Ma'am, D होबो नेकी?
Answer to?
D.
Ma'am, D.
Answer would be D. Very good. Everyone understood?
Yes,
Answer
ma'am.
to?
D.
Answer would be D. D. Can I rub the board?
Ma'am. 4 homologous chromatids কিয় নহব?
4 homologous chromatids কিয় নহব? কাৰণ best option এইটো হয়।
Okay.
Homologous chromatids is not a word that we use. Homologous chromosomes we use. ঠিক আছে? Morphology is similar. আমি word to homologous chromosome. কিন্তু whenever a question like this comes, no, we'll be in search of the best suitable answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Can I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So pectine আমি discuss কৰি আছিলো কি দেখিলো so ইয়াতে some terms called as dyad, tetrad, no? Tetrad formation আমি pectine দেখা পাইছো. We'll continue. When we are talking about pectine, no? এটা point pectine তলতে লিখিবা হা পইণ্টত এটা বস্তু লিখা আছে. We have to do a concept. So we have 2 chromosomes A and C, right? Eta chromosome duta chromatids thakibo. Chromosome A chromatid 1 and chromatid 2, chromosome B with chromatid 3 and chromatid 4. Just at a point of kane likhisu ha tat likhiba 1 2 aru 3, 4. These are considered as sister chromatids. So, I'm a sister or non-sister. What kita use for it? So, before using those 2 words, you should be sure that sister kun kita, non-sister kun kita. Right? So, this is sister. Similarly, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4. A arms bilako kami ki boli ko. Right, because we know the pectine is the important characteristic that our point that we are going or event that we are going to study is obviously crossing over, no? And whenever we talk about crossing over, we'll be using words called as sister chromatids, non-sister chromatids, etc., etc. So before using that word, you should know sister chromatids কি বস্তু আৰু non sister chromatids কি বস্তু sister chromatid কি হয় যে একেটা centromere লগ লাগা যোনবিটা arm হয় সেই arms are called as sister chromatids আৰু বেলেগ বেলেগ হলে they would be called as non sister. Is the concept clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am.
হোৱা
Yes,
নাই?
ma'am.
হলে কৈ দিবা হা
হৈ গল।
Okay. So it is an extra point as well. A question discuss korilu aru eta extra point. Now we'll go back to pectine again. Kak likhiba. In pectine ki hoy? Bivalent chromosome appear clearly as tetrad. Etu point to ami already discuss korilu. Next. This stage, pectine stage, is characterized by the appearance of, I read a notun word, recombination nodule. They are also called as RN. Right? And what are recombination nodules? They are the site, or they are the site at which crossing over takes place between
এইটো RN লিখিছে।
কোনটো?
মেম ব্ৰেকেটত হে RN লিখি
RN, R for recombination, N for nodule. Right? Between non-sister chromatids or homologous chromosomes. So, কিছুমান words, যেনেকে when we talk about pectine, first we have started with the word called as dyad. Next, we have talked about the tetrad. So, we know now that tetrad becomes clear, or tetrad formation আমি দেখা পাওঁ. Next, pectine আৰু এটা বস্তু দেখা পাওঁ that is called as recombination nodule, right? Nodule মানে কি? কিছুমান গাঁঠিৰ নিচিনা বস্তু. So, when we are talking about a chromosome like this, right? So, a chromosomes bilakot konuba jegat ami ki dekha pao some nodule like structure, and that is what is called as a recombination nodule. And to have a precise understanding about what is recombination nodule, it is the site at which the crossing over will take place. We have been talking about two homologous chromosomes staying in a bivalent, right? Pectine of ki hobo crossing over hobo. The first point is crossing over sister chromatids of hoy and non-sister chromatids of obviously non-sister chromatids of hobo, right? So we'll be in requirement of two chromosomes to have a non-sister chromatids. So non-sister chromatids of jodi chromosome hobo lage, crossing over hobo lage, exactly kunkhini point or crossing over will take place. What is crossing over? Nothing but exchange of genetic material. Na eta part eta chromosome pra ahi pele itu part lagi jabo. So kunkhini jegat bhangibo, kunkhini jegat lagibo, that area is called as what? Recombination nodule. Is the concept clear?
Yes, ma'am.
চোৱা কিবা ডাউট আছে নেকি সোধা হল
Yes.
Okay. A little more information about recombination nodule. এখানে লিখাৰ পিছত recombination nodule বুলি লিখা. Can I run this portion?
Yes, ma'am. Little more information about recombination nodules. Nodules বিলাক কি হয়? Some ellipsoid বা some oval-like structure that is found in association with the synaptonymal complex. Synaptonymal complex মনত আছে ন? এইটো এটা ক্ৰোমোজোম, এইটো এটা ক্ৰোমোজোম, এই মাজৰ এইখিনি যিটো proteinaceous বস্তু আছিলে তাক আমি কি বুলি কৈছিলো? Synaptonymal complex. So in the synaptonymal complex, some areas will develop recombination nodules আৰু তাতে কি হ'ব? Non-sociochromatids বিলাকে crossing over কৰিব. Ellipsoid মানে oval-like structure, just a rough meaning. Next, their function, মানে কার function? RNA function. However, are not clear. Exactly কি কাম করে? You don't have a clear answer. But believed that RN have a role in
মেম মই এইটো মাল্টি কম্পোনেন্ট প্ৰোটিনেচিয়াছ কি লিখিছে এইটো
ellipsoid, ELLIPSOIDS. এইবিলাক words মনত ৰাখিব নালাগে হা. What is the RN? এইটো question কেতিয়াও নাহে, না তোমাৰ boardত আহিব, না তোমাৰ entrance-ত আহিব. This is just for information sake, right? So next time তোমালোকে কেতিয়া পঢ়া, then you will be coming across a word called as recombination nodule. কি পঢ়িবা recombination nodule কিছুমান form হয় pectininত. So if you want to know something more about recombination nodule, this is something that you will go for. Not from your examination point of view. Ekini portion of ekho question paha nai. As far as what is recombination nodule, what is the function of recombination nodule, what form korise ekho aha nai, khali janibo lagibo je pectin case or recombination nodule kisuman form kore and it is the site where crossing over will take place. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the extra point about RN. So एकदम shortly আমি কি কম, what is the RN? A protein structure that is oval in shape, code form করে in association with the synaptonymal complex. কিয় form করে? Most probably they help in the process of crossing over because their function is এতিয়ালৈকে not clear, right? আমি কেইটা পয়েন্ট দেখিলো pectin এতিয়ালৈকে I think that was point number 2, no? Recombination nodule. Now we'll be writing about point number 3. আমি স্টার্ট কি বুলি কৰিছিলো ইন পেকাইটিন বুলি স্টার্ট কৰিছিলো ন ইন পেকাইটিন tetrads are formed recombination nodules are formed now we'll go to the third point is this over
Ma'am, second point to one.
Ma'am, synapses মানে crossing over নেকি?
ha ha
Synapses মানে crossing over নেকি?
synapses মানে crossing over নহয় synapses আমি ক'ত কৰিছিলো জাইগোটিন কৰিছিলো the process through which the bivalent gets formed
Oh, yes, ma'am.
এইখিনিটো এক্সট্ৰা আছিলে এটা থাৰ্ড পইণ্ট আহা পেকাইটিনৰ থাৰ্ড পইণ্ট বা ক্ৰছিং ওভাৰ is seen and as far as crossing over is concerned এটো কি হয় exchange of genetic material between এখানে হল লিখি
Yes, ma'am.
এখানে মুখো
Yes, ma'am.
between right it is an enzyme mediated process so crossing over hote lagile enzymes that responsible the enzyme responsible okay crossing over third point likha form recombinant and to form a recombinant the enzyme involved is recombinase Wow. Clear?
একটু লাস্টত কি লিখছে না?
কোনটো এখানে this part
Yes, ma'am.
recombinase it's the name of the enzyme right so in pectin ki hoy crossing over takes place ekhini hol information about crossing over next we'll go to the fourth point fourth point recombination of homologous chromosomes is completed by the end of pectin leaving the chromosome linked the site of crossing over. Please read the line. Crossing over a key form করে recombinant and this recombinant brings about variation in a population আর variation আনিলে কি হয় evolution হয় right? So these are the points about pectitin. So we have started pectitin by saying that in case of pectitin, we have seen what diet formation, tetrad formation form korile. Tetrad formation form korar pisot we have talked about recombination nodules. Recombination nodules ki hoy jot niki crossing over hobo, that site of attachment or where crossing over will take place, right? Next is most important characteristic of pectitin is obviously crossing over. Crossing over হয়ে যাব, crossing over হয়ে যাওয়ার পিছত what will happen? Recombinants of homologous chromosome. Recombinants মানে once they have exchanged their parts, right? There were two chromosomes, paternal, maternal. তাহাতে কি কৰিব দুইটাৰ মাজত exchange কৰিব parts বিলাক, and that exchange after the process of exchange is over, they are called as recombinants. Recombinants of homologous chromosome is completed by the end of pectitin. I mean, exchange process to complete হৈ যায় pectitin. What happens after exchange, right? Dual chromosome আছিল, suppose we are talking about these two chromosomes, no? এই দুটা chromosomes crossing over কৰি পেলাই কি হ'ব যে ইয়াৰে এটা part ইয়ালে যাব আৰু ইয়াৰে এটা part ইয়ালে যাব. So this is what is called as crossing over. Once crossing over is completed or once recombination is completed, what happens? The two homologous chromosomes লগে লগে আঁতৰি নাযায়, right? তাহাতে এটা pair form কৰিছিলে, pair কিয় form কৰিছিলে? Now we understand that crossing over হ'ব লাগিব, সেইকাৰণে pair form কৰিবই লাগিব. Crossing over হৈ যোৱাৰ পিছত তাহাতে কি কৰে লগে লগে separate হৈ নাযায়. So leaving the chromosomes linked at the site of crossing over. যোনবিলাক জেগাত যোনখিনি জেগাত suppose এডাল chromosome এইখিনি জেগাত crossing over হৈছে, homologous chromosomes এইখিনিত লাগি থাকিব. যোনবিলাক জেগাত crossing over হৈছে সেইখিনি জেগাত chromosomes বিলাক লাগি থাকিব. So this is the meaning of this line. And ultimately, we know whenever we are talking about crossing over, they will form the recombinant. A recombinant hole ki anibo? Variation anibo, and variation obviously is the basis of evolution. Any point that you did not understand?
Ma'am, fourth point to aapko kiya?
Kuntu?
Fourth point.
Fourth point.
Yes, ma'am.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. এই পইণ্টে কি কৈছে প্ৰথমতে আমাৰ কি আছিল দুডাল ক্ৰোমোজোম আছিল, right? দুডাল ক্ৰোমোজোম pair in the form of a pair, and this was called as a bivalent, or we have later seen that they were in the form of a tetrad, right? তাৰ পিছত তাহাতৰ কি হ'ব নন সিস্টাৰ ক্ৰোমাটিডত ক্ৰসিং ওভাৰ হ'ব নহয়, তাহাতে এইটো পাৰ্টটো ইয়াৰ আধা পাৰ্ট ইয়াত যাব, that is what is called as crossing over. Yes or no? Exchange of genetic material. This chromosome will exchange the genetic material with this one, and this chromosome will exchange the genetic material with this one. So how will they exchange? They have to get linked. দূৰে দূৰে থাকিলে তো তাহাতে exchange কৰিব নোৱাৰে ন, তো তাহাতে link হ'ব লাগিব, link হ'লে তাহাতৰ crossing over হ'ব. Crossing over হোৱা মানে they will exchange the genetic material, and for this তাত কি লাগিব কিছুমান এনজাইমছ লাগিব, এনজাইমছে কি কৰিব তাহাতক লিংক কৰিবলৈ তাহাতক হেল্প কৰিব, যোনখিনি জেগাত ক্ৰসিং ওভাৰ হ'ব ইয়াৰে যোনটো পাৰ্ট ইয়াতে লাগিব সেই জেগাখিনি ভাঙিব লাগিব, it has to break down and then only this part will go and attach. So all this breaking down of the chromosome, attachment of the other parts to this chromosome, এই গোটেই বিলাকত কোনে হেল্প কৰে এনজাইমছ বিলাকে হেল্প কৰে. Once the process is over, chromosome ডাল এটা জায়গাত ভাঙিলে ইয়াৰ পৰা এটা পাৰ্ট ইয়াত লাগি গল, so we can say যে নতুনকে যোনটো ক্ৰোমোজোম আমাৰ হাতত আছে that is called as a recombinant, because that chromosome will have one part of the father and the other part of the mother. Is the point clear? Recombinant word to মানে বুঝি পাইছো নে নাই?
Yes, ma'am, বুঝিছো.
right?
Ma'am,
এটা
আকৌ
pair
এবাৰ
আছিলে
ক'বচোন ma'am.
চোৱা প্ৰথমতে ষ্টাৰ্টিঙত কি আছিলে এটা পেয়াৰ আছিলে এটা ফাদাৰ এটা মাদাৰ দুইটা ক্ৰোমোজোমছ আছিলে তাহাঁতৰ পেয়াৰটোক আমি কি বুলি কৈছিলো বাইভেলেণ্ট এণ্ড আল্টিমেটলি we have seen chromatids বিলাক যেতিয়া এইটোৰ chromatids আৰু এইটোৰ chromatids যেতিয়া ক্লিয়াৰকে দেখা পালো in the pair we have used the word called as tetrad clear tetrad formation তাৰমানে ইয়াতেতো বাৰু মই দুডাল ক্ৰোমোজোম দেখাইছো ন এডাল ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ আৰু এডাল আৰ্ম থাকিব এডাল ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ আৰু এডাল আৰ্ম থাকিব তো ইহঁত দুটা এটা পেয়াৰ হৈ আছিলে এই পেয়াৰটোৰ এইডাল ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ এটা পাৰ্ট এইডাল ক্ৰোমোজোমত লগ লগাটোকে ক্ৰছিং ওভাৰ কয় নে নকয়
Yes.
they have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
cross
Yes, ma'am.
they have to cross right so if one part of this one has to attach to this one they have to cross and meet right and then
Yes, ma'am.
only exchange will take place once the exchange is done edal gute black color edal gute red color redor eta part jedi blackot ahe right aru blackor eta part jedi redot ahe তেতিয়ালে এই দুটাক আমি কি বুলি কম recombinant chromosome বুলি কম নে নকম
Yes, ma'am.
yes so once this process is done এই process to hobo lagile ki hoisile tahate they have crossed right once the recombinants are formed instantly tahate move nokore right so they will remain at the point where the crossing is done so chromosomes kita baki khini actually chromosomes বুলি কোৱাত কে আমি যদি non sister chromatid word to use কৰো non দুডাল ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ non sister chromatid গিডাল ক্ৰস কৰি পেলাই ক্ৰসিং ওভাৰ কৰিব আৰু recombinant ফৰ্ম কৰিব recombinant ফৰ্ম কৰাৰ পিছত দুইডাল chromatid separate হৈ না যায় immediately লাহে লাহে তাহাতে separate হ'ব so at the very beginning they will remain linked কোট এডাল আৰু এডাল কোট লিংক হৈ আছে যোনখিনি জেগাতে ক্ৰসিং ওভাৰ হৈছে যোনখিনি জেগাতে recombinant ফৰ্ম কৰিছে তাতে লিংক হৈ আছে so that is the meaning of this statement is it clear or should I explain a little more just go through the line again
Ma'am.
hmm
য'ত লিংক হৈ থাকে সেইটো জায়গা এইটো হয় না synaptonymial complex
synaptonymial complex বিলাকে দুটা ক্ৰোমোজোমক লগ লাগি থাকিবলৈ হেল্প কৰিব কিন্তু যেতিয়া ক্ৰসিং ওভাৰ হলে এডাল ক্ৰোমোজোম মাজতে যিখিনি বস্তু আছে সেইখিনিকে synaptonymial complex বুলি কয় এই মাজৰ প্ৰটিন খিনি তাক আমি কি বুলি কম synaptonymial complex বুলি কম কিন্তু ক্ৰসিং ওভাৰ ক'ত হ'ব এডাল ক্ৰোমোজোম আৰু এডাল ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ মাজতহে হ'ব synaptonymial complexত তো ক্ৰসিং ওভাৰ নহয় এডাল ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ লগত লগ লাগিব তাৰ পিছত এই ক্ৰোমোজোমডাল ভাঙিব লাগিব এই ক্ৰোমোজোমডাল অকমান ভাঙিব লাগিব so that this part gets attached to this and this part gets attached to that so actually that process of recombination or exchange কাৰ মাজত হৈ আছে দুডাল ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ মাজত হৈ আছে clear
yes ma'am নহলে আমি recombination nodule হ'ব নেকি এইটো জায়গা
নহয় recombination nodules বিলাক এটা জেগা য'ত সাইন্টিস্ট বিলাকে কৈছে যে এইখিনি জেগাতে most probably দুডাল যদি ক্ৰোমোজোম আছে ইহঁতে যদি ক্ৰসিং ওভাৰ কৰিব লাগে বা এক্সচেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগে তাহলে লগ লাগিব ক'ত লগ লাগিব এই গোটেই জেগাখিনিত এইখিনিত লগ লাগিব নে এইখিনিত লগ লাগিব নে এইখিনিত লগ লাগিব right এই স্পেসিফিক কোনটো জেগাত লগ লাগিব is helped by recombination nodules recombination হোৱাৰ আগতে synaptonymial complexত কিছুমান protein form কৰে সেই proteins বিলাকক আমি কি বুলি কৈছো recombination nodule বুলি কৈছো recombination nodule বিলাকে কি হেল্প কৰে যে ক্ৰোমোজোম দুডাল কোনখিনি জেগাত লগ লাগিব সেই বস্তুটো তাহাতে maybe they will ascertain the position and I'm using the word maybe because recombination nodules of function to etalge clear হোৱা নাই
okay ma'am
as of now what we can understand is recombination nodule most probably helps in the process of recombination
yes ma'am
okay another enzyme okay this was the fourth point fifth point likhna enzyme endonuclease will help in the development of break. And this development of break is called as nicking. As I said, এডাল ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ এটা পাৰ্ট ইটো ক্ৰোমোজোমত যদি লগ লাগিব লাগে, one part of this chromosome, if it has to get attached to this chromosome, then something needs to get broken. No, there should be a part in which this one will go and attach, and for that there should be a break in this chromosome. Then only this chromosome will accept a part of this. Did you understand? Dudal chromosome ase in, so that a part of this chromosome attaches to this chromosome. What will happen? This chromosome needs to develop the break. Eta jagat okoman break hobo lagibo, and that break is initiated by an enzyme that is called as endonuclease. Olop agote ami eta enzyme porisilu no, that was called as recombinase. Recombinase enzyme ki koribo? Recombinant form koribole help koribo. Endonuclease ki help koribo? Je kunkhini jega recombinant form koribo, he jega khini eta break in the chromosome should occur. That break is initiated by this enzyme, and so this enzyme is also called as nicking enzyme. So question to the ahe, what is the nicking enzyme related with crossing over? The nicking enzyme is endonuclease. Or question to Eriko pare, who helps in the breaking of the chromosome during crossing over? It is the enzyme endonuclease that helps in the breaking of the chromosome during crossing over. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Last point likha hol?
Ma'am, last point of ki likhise development of password.
Development of break. Development of break. BREAKS. Our bracket of likhisu nicking. The process is called as nicking. Breaking of a chromosome is called as nicking. Now we'll see the diagram. Okay. Ami start kiyor pora korisilu? Leptotin of thin thread. After leptotin, what we have seen? Thin threads, no? Next, after leptotin, what we have seen is a bivalent. Yes. After this diagram, what we have seen is yes or no? এতিয়ালৈকে আমি কি পঢ়িলো? Tetrad. Next up কি হবো? What would be the next diagram? The next diagram would be something like this in case of pectitin. We have talked about sister chromatids and non-sister chromatids. So, eta pair ase, hey pair to ami ki boli koisu? Okay, 1 minute.
Ma'am, board khon blur ho gol naki?
I'm focus one minute.
Etia hoise ne?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So maybe when I'm in front of the camera, of my light or kiba problem hoy. Let me draw the diagram and then see whether you can see it or not. Huh? Dark kori aki diu tita mage gom paba. দেখা পাইছা নাই?
Can you see the board clearly? The diagram especially?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So duta color di akisu, right? Duta chromosome. One is black and the other is red, right? Maybe one is paternal and the other is maternal. We are drawing a pair of homologous chromosomes. Right? So during pectitin, what happens is that pair, no, due to tetrad form করেছে, এই tetrad টোৱে কি কৰিব crossover কৰিব, right? So we have shown the point of attachment in this diagram. Overlapping দেখিছেন না ডায়াগ্রামটো? red and black কি হৈছে overlap হৈ গৈছে? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So এই বস্তুটো আমি ক'ত দেখা পাইছো in case of pectitin, right? So what happens is homologous chromosomes যোনটো pair আছিলে বা যোনটো tetrad আছিলে তাহাতে কি কৰিব এটা জায়গাত they will cross over, right? After crossing over কি হ'ব? What will be the next diagram? There one part of black will get attached to the red one and the other part will get attached to the next. So just look into the diagram. I don't know whether it's clear or not. So I am drawing a chromatid of this chromosome, the red one. So after this stage, what will happen? Adal chromatidot eta part কি হৈ যাব black. Because it has taken apart from the other chromosome. And similarly, in this case also, black chromosome eta part কি হৈ যাব red. বুঝি পাইছা নে নাই চাবা হা? This diagram shows that exchange of genetic material has taken place. Between whom? Between non-sister chromatids. Similarly, in this case also, eta part কি হৈ যাব তাহাতে? Eta part Is the diagram understood? Similarly, in this case also. If you look into the diagram, this at this moment, the portion that I am drawing is a part of this black chromosome, which has become red. What does that signify? Achromatid से eta part यार डोले. And similarly, in this case, okay. So this is something that is going inside the cell. After this diagram, exchange has taken place, and this is what we can see. Right? A2 কি আসলে leptotin. The first zygotin, and starting from this, A2 কি আসলে tetrad, rhomboid, pectidin, clear? ইয়াতে কি দেখিছিলো thin thread, ইয়াতে কি দেখিছিলো bivalent, pectidinত কি দেখিছো tetrad. এইটো কি process চলি আছে? Crossing over, and this one is key recombinant. Just look into the diagram and see whether you have understood or not. Is the diagram clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Diagram to shading অকল এটা পাৰ্টত কৰিছো দেই. Now don't tell me মানে ইটো chromatid color টো কি হৈ গল, আকা নাই আৰু কিমান আকি থাকিম, বুজি পাইছানে? এইটো red হ'ব, এইটো red হ'ব, this one will be black and this one will be black. If the diagram is over, please tell me. Only diagram হৈ গল?
Nine, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, আচ্ছা আঁকিলো যাৰ মানে আঁকিলো. Diagram to charge হৈছে, just see যে কিবা any portion that you did not understand. The first diagram was about leptotin, next was zygotin, and the remaining three, all the diagrams are from the pectidin stage.
Ma'am, সেই লাষ্ট ষ্টেজত মেম যেতিয়া ক্ৰছিং অভাৰটো হৈছে তেতিয়া হাফ হাফ হৈছে ন মানে
এইটো?
অভাৰলেপিংটো
ইয়াতে খালি আমি ওভাৰলেপিং দেখাইছো ৰেড কালাৰটো ওভাৰলেপ বাই দ্য ব্লেক ওৱান ঠিক আছে নেক্সট ডায়াগ্ৰামটোত কি কৈছো আফটাৰ ওভাৰলেপিং a part of this chromosome will get attached to the black one a part of black one will get attached to the red one similarly what we have shown is this is the red a red armটোত এটা portion black means what এনেকুৱা এটা arm দেখাইছো ন from this centromere so তাৰ ভিতৰত এটা portion black হৈ গৈছে that shows that it has taken a part from the other chromosome বুঝি পাইছো নে নাই এইটো part ইয়াৰে এটা part this red portion has attached with the black portion and this chromosome has taken a red portion so this shows that recombinants are formed এবিলাকক আমি কি বুলি কম recombinants বুলি কম কারণ দুইটার মাজত exchange of genetic material has already taken place so this is all about pectitin so if it's over please tell me so that I can rub the board
হৈ গ'ল মেম
হৈ গ'ল ঠিক আছে after pectitin the next stage কি আছিলে diplotin so once the crossing over is done no recombinants বিলাক form কৰাৰ পিছত as I said they will not move or they will not separate themselves instantly দুইটা chromosome instantly crossing over হৈ যোৱাৰ পিছত separate হৈ নাযায় তাহাতে কি কৰিব লাহে লাহে separate হ'ব ঠিক আছে লাহে লাহে separate হ'ব লাগিলে what we have studied is between these two chromosomes কি আছিলে synaptonymal complex বিলাক আছিলে synaptonymal complex এ দুটা chromosome একেলগে থাকিবলৈ help কৰিছিলে and that was the result because of which crossing over was initiated right and dure dure থাকিলে crossing over কেনেকৈ হ'ব তো ওচৰত থাকিব লাগিব who helps it synaptonymal complex after the process of crossing over is over after the recombinants are formed the next stage is these recombinants or these two chromosomes will now tend to separate to হবই লাগিব তেতিয়াহে cell division হ'ব দুইটা যদি লগ লাগি থাকে crossing over একো লাভেই নহলে right so once crossing over is done suppose we are talking about this once crossing over is done they will have to separate but gradually and not instantly next point as far as separation is concerned তাহাতে কেনেকৈ separate হ'ব দুটাল chromosome আছে তাহাতে কেনেকৈ separate হ'ব এনেকৈ direct to separate হৈ যাব পাৰে or they can separate gradually are you understanding separation কেনেকৈ হ'ব পাৰে যে দুটা chromosome আছে দুইটা chromosome directly কনফাৰ্ম হৈ গ'ল separate কৰি দিলে ঠিক আছে or else they can separate gradually like opening of a zip এটা বেগৰ চেইন এডাল যেনেকৈ খোলা অকমান অকমানকে খোল খাই যায় না যায় নে গোটেইডাল একেলগে খোল যায় are you understanding
লাহে লাহে খোলা যায়
লাহে লাহে খুলি যায় right so ঠিক তেনেকৈ ক্ৰছিং অভাৰ হৈ যোৱাৰ পিছত recombinant form কৰাৰ পিছত এই দুটাই ক্ৰমোজোম তাহাতে সেপাৰেট হ'বলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিব once they will try to separate the separation will be like unzipping a bag or unzipping a chain right লাহে 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 এই দুটা লগ লাগি আছে ইহঁতে যদি লাহে 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 সেপাৰেট কৰে এনেকৈ এনেকৈ সেপাৰেট কৰি এটা পইণ্টত তাহাঁতে লাগি থাকিব and that point is called as chiasmata have you heard this word called as chiasmata or chiasmata কি কোৱা CHISMATA chiasmata formation শুনিছা নাই cell division
yes ma'am শুনিছো ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
okay so what is chiasmata that point no they are separating how they are separating gradually so eta এই তলৰ portion খিনি প্ৰথমতে open কৰিব তাৰপিছত gradually it will keep on opening right so once the process goes on what will happen is at one point they will remain crossed and this cross or this X shaped structure is called as chiasmata and this is the structure that will be formed in the next phase that is diplotin pectitinot কি হল crossing over হল আৰু recombinant form কৰিলে Next phase is diplotin. Diplotin of ki hobo? The chromosomes will tend to separate, and while they are separating, we can see a X-shaped structure, and this X-shaped structure is called as chiasmata. Clear?
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
So heading kora diplotin or diplonema. This phase is considered as the longest phase of prophase 1. অকল prophase লিখিলে নহব, prophase 1 লিখিব। এইটো ফেজত কি হ'ব? There will or there is this solution of synaptonymal complex. So the recombined homologous chromosome will start separating. আর এই separating process to আমি কি বলি কওঁ? Desynapsis. Synapses already পঢ়িলো, এতিয়া কি? A word called as desynapsis. Synapsis কি আছিলে? দুটা homologous chromosome যোনটো pair form কৰিছিল, that process was called as synapsis. আর দুইটা homologous chromosome যেটা separate কৰিব, তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? Desynapsis. Desynapsis কেতিয়া হয়? Diplotin. What exactly is desynapsis? Nothing but the dissolution of the synaptonymal complex. So synaptonymal complex বা protein যোনবিলাক structure form কৰিছিল দুডাল ক্ৰমোজোমৰ মাজত, সেইখিনি বস্তু লাহে লাহে gradually dissolve হ'বলৈ আৰম্ভ কৰিব। যেতিয়াই dissolve হ'ব, তাহাঁতে separate হ'বলৈ আৰম্ভ কৰিব। Clear?
Yes.
Point clear হৈছে নাই চোৱা? Next. Separation of homologous chromosomes. এই পইণ্টটো কমপ্লিট হৈছে নাই বা ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে নাই? তাৰ পিছতহে আমি থাৰ্ড পইণ্টটো লিখিব লাগিব। Is the second point clear for all the students?
Ma'am, please বুজাই দিব ma'am, মই বুজি নাপালো।
চোৱা, please যেতিয়াই ডাউটটো থাকে নহয়, please ask. Don't wait for me to ask you, because in that way what will happen? Time খিনি এৰি গৈ থাকিব, right? যোনটো পইণ্টতে বুজি পোৱা নাই, please ask, right? কোনটো বস্তু বুজি পোৱা নাই কোৱাচোন? The second point?
Second step of dissolution after recombination. Desynapsis মানে desynapsis বুজাই দিয়কচোন sir, ma'am will start.
Exactly. Synapses টো মনত আছে নাই?
Yes ma'am.
Synapses কি হৈছিলে?
Formation of bivalents.
Okay.
Bivalence
The
formation.
result of synapses form কৰিছিলে। তাৰমানে মই যদি সুধো synapsisৰ কাৰণে কি form কৰিছিলে? তুমি ক'বা bivalent.
Yes,
What is formed because of synapses? Bivalent.
yes,
But if the question is, what is synapses? What will you say?
Gets attached.
Linked to chromosomes.
That process
attaching of
of
homologous chromosomes to form bivalence.
ইমান স্মাৰ্ট, ইমান কমপ্লিকেটেড কে যদি তোমালোকে সেন্টেন্স মুখস্থ কৰিবলৈ যোৱা ন, that too also in the form of these scientific statements, তেতিয়াহ'লে the concept will not become clear, right? So just forget the statements that we have written, right? Scientific একদম notes for যোনখিনি statements লিখিছো সেইখিনি পাহৰি যোৱা এতিয়া। As of now, একদম simple কে just try to remember and read in a simple way. Synapses কি হয়? এটা process. এই processটোৰ কাৰণে কি form কৰে? Bivalent. So synapses কি হয়? এটা process, এই processটোত কি হয়? এই processটোত দুটা homologous chromosome pair কৰে তাৰমানে a pairing process is called as synapsis. The process through which this pairing takes place is called as synapsis, or formation of pair is called as synapsis. দুটা chromosome
ma'am.
বেলেগ বেলেগকে আছিলে দুইটা chromosome লগ লাগি পেলাই যে এই পেয়াৰটো ফৰ্ম কৰিলে এই প্ৰচেছটোক আমি কি বুলি কম synapsis. তেতিয়া হলে synapsis মানে দুটা দূৰে দূৰে থকা chromosome লগ লাগাটোক যদি synapsis কওঁ desynapsis কি হ'ব
Detachment.
it will be detachment. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Attachment কিহৰ কাৰণে হৈছিলে synaptonymal complexৰ কাৰণে হৈছিলে
Yes, ma'am.
detachment হ'ব লাগিলে এই মাজৰ synaptonymal complex খিনি dissolve হ'ব লাগিব নালাগে
Yes, ma'am.
right? So that is the meaning of the statement. এতিয়া clear হৈছে নাই পঢ়ি চোৱা statementটো
Okay, ma'am.
So any for the sake of saying okay please don't say ঠিক আছে তোমালোকে বস্তুটো বুজি লোৱা I am here to explain. So it does not matter how many times you ask me a question. এইটো নহয় যে এই বহুত সুধিলো আৰু নুসুধো. Don't do that. Keep on asking until unless you are clear about the answer. Right? So আকৌ পঢ়া. There is dissolution of the synaptonymal complex. তাৰমানে synaptonymal complex to dissolve হয় লাহে লাহে. So the recombined homologous chromosome recombined কিহৰ কাৰণে use কৰিছে কাৰণ pectinos already recombinant form কৰিলে. Those homologous
Yes, ma'am.
chromosome will start separating and this process is called as synapsis.
Desynapsis. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it is called as desynapsis. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now come to the third point. Separation of homologous chromosome is not completed. এতিয়াও completely দুইডাল separate হৈ যোৱা নাই. They remain attached to one or more points where crossing over has occurred. ইয়াৰ পিছত continue কৰিবা these points of attachment are called right? These are X-shaped structure. So, the third point is quite long. Please write, go through, and then see whether you have understood or not. And only after that, we'll go to the next point. প্ৰথমে লিখি লোৱা তাৰপিছত পঢ়া পঢ়ি পেলাই কোৱা বুজি পাইছো নে নাই লিখা হল নে সবৰে
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, complete. লিখি লোৱা
Ma'am, এটো X shaped কি লিখিছে?
Ma'am, হৈ গ'ল
Ma'am.
ma'am.
কোনটো
X shaped?
Structure.
structure
Okay.
Ma'am, এবাৰ draw কৰি দিব নেকি ma'am এইটো?
আঁকি দিম মানে অলৰেডি আঁকিছে কাইটিনৰ যোনটো লাষ্ট ডায়াগ্ৰাম আছিলে সেইটো য'ত চেঞ্জ হৈছে X shaped হৈ আছে নাই
Oh, yes, ma'am.
that itself is called as chiasmata. কিন্তু মই পেকাইটিনত chiasmata কিয় দেখাই দিয়া নাই তাত দেখাই দিয়া নাই কাৰণ you might be thinking that chiasmata is formed during pectitin. No, it is formed during diplotin. Statement to clear হৈছে নে নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the rest of the students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So what does this statement tell us? It tells us that after recombination is over, they will try to separate, but while separating, they will not separate like this. They will gradually separate. Tahator major to synaptonymal complex, okay, that complex will dissolve and gradually, like opening of a zip, they will open. এখিনি জেগাত অকমান খুলিব তাৰপিছত অকমান খুলিব আলটিমেটলি কি হ'ব এনেকে এটা পইণ্টত লাগি থাকিব নাথাকে ক্ৰমোজোম গিটা যোনখিনি পইণ্টত ক্ৰসিং ওভাৰ হৈছে প্ৰথমতে এনেকে আছিলে তাৰপিছত তাহাতে এনেকুৱা হৈ যাব এই যে এক্স শেপ ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো ফৰ্ম কৰিলে this structure is called as কি chiasmata,
Chiasmata.
right? So question আহে chiasmata formation কেতিয়া হয় chiasmata formation diplotinot হয়. So this is all about diplotin. Next we move to the next stage. Diplotinor আৰু দুটামান পইণ্ট লিখিব লাগিব ৰবা we have a term diplotinor underot we will write something called as dictyotin. So দুইটা spelling বেলেগ আগৰটো কি আছিল diplotin এটো কি হয় dictyotin, right? So we have to know a term called as dictyotin stage. Now what is dictyotin stage লিখা suspended diplotin stage is called dictyotin stage. Suspended diplotin stage মানে কি যে diplotin টো হে কাইজমা ফৰ্ম কৰি পেলাই যদি আৰু একো ইভেন্ট নহয় পেলাই তেনেকে ৰৈ গৈছে that is what is called as suspended. In normal type of cell division after the chiasmata is formed কি হ'ব লাগিব ক্ৰমোজোমছ বিলাক সেপাৰেট কৰিব লাগিব right বা ক্ৰোমাটিডছ বিলাক তোমাৰ at the point of attachment পৰা কি সেপাৰেট হৈ যাব লাগিব কিন্তু যদি হেতু নহয় diplotin হৈ গল chiasma form কৰিলে but they do not separate that is what is called as suspended diplotin stage and this stage has a term that is called as dictyotin stage. Diplotin stage to বহুত সময় তেনেকৈ ৰৈ থাকে কি সেপাৰেট নহয় তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ dictyotin stage. This type of a stage is seen in oocytes of some vertebrates. Right. But in oocytes of some vertebrates, the diplotin stage can last for months or years. At this stage, the chromosome decondense and are engaged in rapid লিখি লোৱা মই বুজাই দিম RNA synthesis and are called length brush chromosome.
Ma'am, হেতু এই ব্ৰেকেটৰ কাৰণে হয় নে এটো ডিক্টিয়োটিন ষ্টেজৰ কাৰণে হয় এট দিস ষ্টেজৰ কথাটো যে লিখিলে
At this stage dictyotin stage of কাৰণে হয়
ডিপ্লটিনৰ কাৰণে নহয়, ডিপ্লটিনৰ কাৰণে নৰ্মেল ক্ৰমোজোম ফৰ্ম কৰিব, কিন্তু ডিক্টিঅটিনৰ কাৰণে ল্যাম্ব্ৰাছ ক্ৰমোজোম ফৰ্ম কৰিব। Now as far as ল্যাম্ব্ৰাছ chromosome, I think this is something that you should know if you have studied the chapter cell. Cell of chromosome part 2, দুটা chromosome details দিয়া আছে বা এটা portion আছে that is called as a giant chromosome. If you have read about that, giant chromosome নাম শুনিছা?
নাই শুনা মেম।
You have not heard? Okay. So it is something that's given in the chapter called as cell. So when we'll do it, we'll do at that time. As of now, normal diplotin stage will result in a normal chromosome, but if the diplotin stage remains in that state for many years together or for many months together, সেই condition to আমি কি বুলি কম ডিক্টিঅটিন। So ডিক্টিঅটিন stage actually হৈছে কি? So diplotin stage কি হৈছে? Chiasmata form কৰিছে, right? And the chromosome tend to separate, right? Diplotin যিমান progress কৰিব, after the X-shaped structure, ultimately they will separate. But there is a condition where instead of separating, chromatids বিলাক বা chromosomes বিলাক কি কৰে, তাহাঁতে লগ লাগি থাকি যায়। ঠিক আছে? And that will result in the formation of a giant chromosome, and that is called as the Lamb-Brush chromosome. Why is this chromosome called as a Lamb-Brush? Details about Lamb-Brush we'll do it in the chapter called as cell. But as of now, এনেকুৱা এটা stage যদি হয়, ডিক্টিঅটিন stage যদি হয়, তাহাঁতে এটা ডাঙৰ chromosome form কৰিব. That chromosome is called as a giant chromosome. That giant chromosome looks like a brush that is used to clean the lamp. Bottle বিলাক চাফা কৰিবলে brush এডাল পাই ন, দেখিছানে তোমালোকে? Something like this. Bottle brush দেখিছা নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this chromosome looks something like this, right? So it is called as Lamb-Brush chromosome. It looks like a brush, right? So actually what the adult chromosome থাকিব, এনেকে তাৰ loop থাকিব. Similarly in this case also, right? So এডাল যদি ক্রোমোজোম হয় ন, ক্রোমোজোম ডালত তাহাঁতে কি ফর্ম কৰিব? লুপ ফর্ম কৰিব। Means what? This type of a chromosome will have nuclear material বেছিকে থাকিব, right? As of now, this information is more than enough. As far as Lamb-Brush chromosome details is concerned, আমি cell-ত obviously কৰিম। এতিয়া আমি কি পঢ়িলো যে after pectide the next stage is diplotin. What happens in diplotin stage? The chromosomes tend to separate from each other after the recombinants have formed. Normal stage of separation to হৈ যাব। If the diplotin stage remains suspended for a longer time, means what? The chromosomes বিলাক recombinant হোৱাৰ পিছতো যদি separate হৈ নাই হোৱা, instead এটা জেগাতে ৰৈ আছে, right? বা stage to suspended হৈ গ'ল বা temporarily ৰৈ গ'ল, that stage would be called as dictiotin stage. Dictiotin stage ক'ত দেখা পাইছো? In the oocyte from certain vertebrates. Because of dictiotin stage, যদি chromosomes বিলাক separate নহৈ পেলাই এটা জেগাতে লগ লাগি থাকে, they will get accumulated and ultimately they will form a giant chromosome. One example of a giant chromosome is Lamb-Brush chromosome that is seen in case of certain vertebrates. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So বাকি বিলাকে চোৱা,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? So এইখিনি আছিলে extra point diplotinor already আমি point লিখি আছো, right? Chiasma formation লকে লিখিছিলো, that was point number কিমান point আছিল এটো? I think it was point number 3. Point number 2.
3 আছিল।
3 আছিল ন? এতিয়া point number 4 লিখা। Okay. Point number 4. In diplottin, partial degradation of nuclear membrane and nucleolus starts বা occurs. যেহেতু আমি প্রোফেজৰ কথা কৈ আছো ন, প্ৰোফেজৰটো এইবিলাক পইণ্টটো আমি we have to mention what will happen to the nuclear membrane, what will happen to the nucleolus, etc. So up till this point, I mean, if you're talking about leptotin, zygotin, pectitin, right? 18th stage of nuclear membrane and the nucleolus, everything was as it is. But as we proceed towards diplottin, we have seen partial degradation. I mean, অকমান কে ভাঙা আৰম্ভ কৰিছে, right? So again, if you're talking about the diagram of diplottin, একেটাই হ'ব.
আমি ৰিকম্বিনেন্ট ষ্টেজটো যে ড্ৰ কৰিছিল সেইটো ষ্টেজে হয় ন মেম?
একে ষ্টেজে, তাৰপৰা বেলেগকেতো দেখাব নোৱাৰো কাৰণ একেলগে হৈ আছে ন বস্তুবিলাক, হয়? তো সেইটোৱে ষ্টেজ, খালি ইয়াতে আমি এক্সটো কাইজমা বুলি মাৰ্ক কৰিছো, একেটাই কথা. একেটাই ডায়েগ্ৰাম. Right? For A into X দেখা পাইছো, AX টোক আমি কি বুলি কৈছো? Right? আৰু in this case কি হ'ব? The nuclear membrane will start degrading. So question ahe, chiasmata formation ক'ত হয়? Chiasmata of this X-shaped structure is called a
chiasmata formation ক'ত হয় ডিপ্লটিনত and finally we have point number 5 আৰু এটা term আছে begins বুলি লিখা মই start start এটা what is terminalization I will talk about it
হৈ গ'ল মেম
hmm
হৈ গ'ল মেম
হৈ গ'ল এতিয়া কোৱা Diplotinot ultimately যিমানবোৰ লিখিলো what do we understand or that one line that we'll remember is in diplotin কি form কৰে chiasmata কি হয় that X shaped structure no তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ chiasmata বুলি কওঁ X shaped structure টো কিয় form কৰিছে কাৰণ chromosomes বিলাক এনেকে আছিলে gradually যেতিয়া খুলিবলৈ আৰম্ভ কৰিছে they tend to separate they remain attached at a point আৰু দুইটা chromosome এনেকে attached হৈ থাকে আৰু এই X shaped structure টোক আমি কি বুলি কৈছো chiasmata একেলগে বুজিলো after this we have used the word called as terminalization of chiasmata start so যেনেকে মই কৈছিলো যে প্ৰত্যেকটো ফেজত এটা লাইন মনত ৰাখিব লাগে যেনেকে leptotinot কি আছে thin thread zygotinot we have talked about bivalent pectitinot we have talked about crossing over diplotin we know chiasma formation right after diplotin the next stage is obviously dikinesis so dikinesis of I mean the line that we remember is terminalization takes place right so question ahe terminalization ক'ত আৰম্ভ হয় now what is terminalization is the attachment of the chromosomes at a terminal point means what so again please pay interest to the the thing that I am showing you now দুটা ক্ৰমোজোম আছিলে দুটা ক্ৰমোজোমৰ ক্ৰসিং ওভাৰ হৈ গ'ল ক্ৰসিং ওভাৰ হৈ পেলাই they are separating right while separating I told that they do not separate this way instead what they do they gradually open up as they are opening up they remain at a point or they remain attached at a point and that is what is called as chiasma after this stage what next এই chiasmaটো যে ফৰ্ম কৰিলে তাৰ পিছত কি chiasma formationৰ লগতে কি হৈছে দুইটা ক্ৰমোজোম লগ লাগি আছিলে they are still attached but they need to separate so what happens this X no যোনটো পইণ্টত X টো ফৰ্ম কৰিছে এই X টো gradually ওপৰলৈ উঠি উঠি গৈ থাকিব so ultimately these two chromosomes at a time will remain attached by their terminal ends and this is what is called as terminalization is the concept clear প্ৰথমতে তাহাতে X বা এইটো পইণ্টত লগ লাগি আছিলে gradually তাহাতে আৰু খুলি খুলি গৈ থাকিব যেতিয়া খুলি খুলি গৈ থাকিব তেতিয়া at the last stage they will remain attached to the terminal points and this is what is called as terminalization as far as attaching themselves in the terminal point is concerned এইটো কন্ডিশন ডিপ্লটিনত হৈছে ডিপ্লটিন progress কৰি আছে ultimately এই কন্ডিশনটো the terminal pointত কোনটো স্টেজত লাগিব terminal pointত dikinesisত লাগিব is the point understood যেতিয়া terminal pointত লাগিব তাৰ পিছত দুইটা ক্ৰমোজোম separate হৈ যাব so where does terminalization take place terminalization takes place in the dikinesis stage is the point clear
yes ma'am
right কিন্তু start ক'ত হয় start হয় diplotinot কিন্তু processটো আমি clearly that attachment clearly আমি ক'ত দেখা পাওঁ dikinesis clear চোৱা আৰু কিবা বুজি পোৱা নাই নেকি? Any doubts? Because we'll be writing the points about dikinesis. So next. ঠিক আছে?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Lika. After what time do you have your class?
4:30.
4:30.
4:30?
Ma'am, 5 word para class is a maths class.
Yes.
5 per class is there. So I think it's time to wind up my class so that you can get a break. Okay then, what we'll do is we'll wind up the class today up till here. In the next class, our next step is up, that is dikinesis. Dikinesis for agoloke, baki khini clear hoise nai?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything
Yes,
is clear? Please go home and go through the notes and collect your doubts if you have any. Right? And in the next class, we'll again continue Gnosis 1. Okay?
Yes.
So thank you for today.
Ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Ma'am.